So it's 5 o'clock. It's time to go home and open up the garage and see if I can get a little work done tonight on Fairlane. Go ahead and head out and tear apart the rear end parts that I need to modify. We'll see you in a minute. So the beauty of my job is one of the beauties is that I'm only 8 minutes from home. It's way better than what it used to be. It used to be 2.5 hours. Looks like the guys are already here working on stuff. I think Dad's here sighting in his rifle. It looks like Matt's already started on the truck. So I'm gonna park over here and see what's going on. We'll see you in a minute. So Matt's gonna work on he's gonna put the side pipes back on. Should we spray those side pipes white? I don't know if I got any white header paint. I think they would look better white, but anyway.
You gotta scrape the rubber off of them.
Yeah, nah, we paint over with rubber. What do we care?
Yeah.
So he made some, Sick Week was here. He made some steel motor mounts because we broke both of them on Sick Week. Engine was flopping all over the place. And he's gonna put the exhaust back on it. Are we gonna put the street tires back on it, or?
I don't care.
Yeah, I don't care either. So, and then I'm going to work on the Fairlane. NASCAR. I'm going to work on the Fairlane and get this front end off so I can start looking at that. And then also I'm going to put so on the back of my fuel tank here, this is fed into a Holley float bowl. And it's got the accelerator pump blocked off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unblock that, and then I'm going to put lines up to the injection so that I can basically actuate the accelerator pump on the fuel tank and squirt fuel down there when I need to start it. It doesn't want to start on its own. So that's what I'm going to work on. Matt got that done. We have an alternator on the front of the car now. We made this so the front end can come off. The orange bolts you see there, that one, and then that one, and then underneath here, does that show it? Oh, there's one here. Take that apart, and this whole front end comes off now. We did a few things on Sick Week. We got to unbolt that. We did that so that we could get this tank higher than the heads and the radiators inside the fenders and burp the air out. I kind of want to hide that freaking thing. I think it's freaking ugly, but we'll do what we got to do. So this front end will come off. And that's what we're going to work on. Get the front end off, start working on some of that stuff, and look at changing these radiators out. So that's what we're going to do. See you in a minute. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. It really helps us out on the channel. Now that I got that over with, we can get back to the video.
Attach that, but then maybe I'll just drill a hole in this.
So Matt Galt made alternator brackets. Now we have an alternator on both engines instead of the rear end. I still like it on the rear end because of the look, but I'm tired of having to stop in traffic. So we're good to go there. Matt's going to change the headers, or he's going to change the exhaust from the stubbies to the side pipes again. Although I kind of like the stubbies.
They sound better.
Yeah. I almost feel like you need to go through the drive-through down the street again. With this, at least. We went through with the Fairlane, right?
Yeah.
Why not go through the drive-through with this, with the open headers? There's a ton of people down there. We can look like idiots. You about looking like idiots? You like looking like idiots? I do.
I do too. Not gonna lie.
All right, threw the exhaust back on, so that's its legs, but you gonna take it for a drive? See, double check, make sure it's charging. Charging whirler, whatever he calls it. That's a lot quieter! You go for a ride? So it is time to remove the exhaust so that we can get to these hangers here, and I need to pull this hanger so that I can maybe fab up and design one that has adjustable height. Yeah, get in there. So that comes off. So we'll have to make sure we support the spring on this side, and then I can just mirror it for the other side, so I don't need to disassemble the other side. But that's what we're gonna do. So let's get at it. So let's take these. Matt designed this, so we just take one bolt out, and then that lets that slip out of the collector. So that's what we're going to do there. And then we got to get these up here out of the floor, and then we should be able to pull, hopefully be able to pull this thing out. So that's what we're going to do there. That socket get heavy?
Yeah.
And those are now welded into the, or something, aren't they?
There's a metal bracket in the back of them, so they're tied together. It'll push through into the thing, but
they don't turn.
Yep.
Cool.
It's a pain in the ass to climb from the trunk and put them in there. Don't lie.
All right. So you can see the, looks like the caps are spinning in there, and these are bottomed out. So we got to mill a little bit off of these aluminum caps so that when they clench down onto the U-joint better. So that's what Matt's working on right now.
I feel like we should put this transmission in neutral. Oh, I guess we can reach up there since it's not hooked up.
Is it not hooked up?
Maybe pull the pin.
Here, try that gear.
Much better.
Ninja-like moves there. See that? Let me see that.
Oh yeah, look at that spin. More down.
Yeah, that's cool. Not. South Georgia Motorsports Park.
That is directly from South Georgia. Georgia.
Well, I think we skidded some off my road too.
Well, true. County Road 12. County Road 1215.
Yeah, look at that. That's
Send that
spinning
to
in
the-
that. That's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is crazy. I'll clean those up, make sure that it hasn't gone through the anodizing. So that would mean we need to replace them. All right. Remember how you did that before?
Yeah, we had a hard time getting the into the tail shaft, remember?
Yeah.
Don't know why.
I think we turned it to turn this. There we go. And then you can pull it back towards the
Well, let me get that pan to put underneath
the transmission. Is there anything in it?
No, but I'm sure it'll drip. Since we don't have a tranny butt plug.
Of course. Better not have twisted that. There we go. There she goes.
See?
Yeah, there's a little bit in there.
It's called morning after.
Can't really droop that any further.
How? Well, remember we did cut that drive shaft loop. Move it, that's why.
Oh, we dropped that drive shaft loop right there. We took the bolts out.
Right.
That's why.
And then we cut it and moved it shorter.
Yeah. You welded the nuts on the inside, right? Mm-hmm. Where's the one you had? It should be the same one.
Yeah. Looking for it.
Nope.
It's laying here. I swear to God, it's laying here. I'm looking right at it. Fuck ever. Capture notes make it so much easier. Huh.
Those are almost welded on the cross member. I don't know if it would turn or not.
Yeah. How we talk about just cutting them off? Could be wrong. No go, George.
I moved everything where he wanted it. I can't find my own tools.
Alright. Well, it's a learning experience for all of us.
Uh-huh.
Huh.
Those are almost welded on the cross member. I don't know if it would turn or not.
Yeah. How we talk about just cutting them off? Could be wrong. No go, George.
I moved everything where he wanted it. I can't find my own tools.
Alright. Well, it's a learning experience for all of us.
Uh-huh. Care about that one. This is one I care about. There we go. All right. Careful. I'm using that to hold the springs on. You don't undo it.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I should really put the impact on there.
Hmm? Spinning?
Yeah. Yep. So what's holding the axle in other than just that? And,
Springs, yeah.
I mean, you gonna put the bolts on that to hold that for now, just so it's.
No, that bracket's in the house. So I'm gonna hold the springs up here by the eyelet.
Safety third and all, but come on.
Good thing you cleaned the fucking freaking floor. All these nuts coming loose.
Yeah, that might help a little bit.
Yo, videotaping Holmes.
Dude,
Put that on there.
you gotta drive the truck.
Yeah,
You gotta drive the truck. Yeah.
I'm down for that.
All right. Oh man, now it's in the way. We're gonna lose the lift because it's in the way. Ah,
You alright?
yeah. There you go. All right.
What
You
do
see
we
if the leaf springs are held in with that?
Yep, these springs are held up by that. Don't draw it back up in there because I need to knock it out.
I was twisting in this way.
PFH.
Right there on the floor by your left foot.
Watch your fingers.
Try this side because this is hitting the mat. There we go.
Let's go.
I see it. Okay. I see what's going on here.
I can't hear you guys anymore.
Just like that.
Well, I ate that one.
Just like that.
I ate that mother.
Alright, so I'm just holding these front springs up like.
I see.
Okay.
Like a total safety
Hey, check this out.
Like safety third.
Check this out.
That's from that battery.
That's from the battery. That white stuff on the fuel pump.
What?
We figured out that's what it was.
Oh.
So that battery.
Dude, it tested good.
It did.
I know. I'm just messing with you.
Well, what do those guys know? They're like 12.
Right.
So this is our awesome high flow fuel pump that will support 900 horsepower.
Yes.
No, it won't. No, it won't. But it doesn't need to support 900 horsepower because we don't use an entire tank full on the front. So it just has to keep up with that when we're driving. Because it's got a big nasty fuel pump right there.
Hey Mike, fuck off. Let me stab you in your eye. Does your mother sew? Have her sew this.
Boy, ain't it ugly? She is so ugly. Radiators, they're about an inch thicker than the other ones that are in the car, and real fans. And check this out. Instead of the Amazon brand fans. Yeah, so should stay cool now, right?
I hope.
Fast and ugly.
Well?
Well?
I suppose we can unhook this water, take one of these off, and just see where. So we thought we were going to go in and eat, but and take the truck for a spin, but it wouldn't start. The starter wouldn't turn over. It turns out that expensive MSD starter took a crap. So we just got it back together, filthy dirty, and the guys took the truck out for a spin just to double check the alternator. So we'll hear from them here in a second, I bet.
3:28 a.m.